Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be taking you through the Bitcore website. So as you guys know, Bitcore is the first known cryptocurrency to use the hybrid fork method to distribute BTX to Bitcoin holders. So let's get started. A powerful modular node for Bitcoin and blockchain based apps. You can click this button to get started, and you can click this grey button to guides and tutorial. You can enter your email so you can subscribe to this channel. Blazing fast and built on Bitcoin. It is open source, full-featured and extensible, and built on Bitcoin. You can click this button to get started or click this font to get started. Built on Bitcore, BitPay, Blocktrail, CoPay, and much more. So I'm going to end the video right here. You can subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and comment down below. Don't forget to go to the Weirdest Coins website to find more information.